Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and it's time for another tool of the day. If you're like me and you're cooking for a large group of people on occasions, you might need the occasional extra burner to cook something on. If the stove that you've got now has 4 eyes like mine does, you might need a little bit more during those special occasions where you might need something else to cook on. So I got in from Amazon another one of my electric cooktops and I wanted to show you what I got today and kind of look at it and review it. So let's take a look and see what I've got here. All right, so I got it out of the main box and I've got another box here. This is the Karinear electric top here, portable stove top. And let's cut into this main box here and we'll take it out. All right, so I've got the box open now and I'll show you here. We've got a lot of packing on the top, which is really nice. Packing here on the sides. Let's take this out and see what we've got here. Don't see anything in these outside pieces, so sometimes they put things in there that you might need. All right, so we've got the instruction manual. This is a smooth top surface, and we've got a lot of different settings here on the top. Looks like it's got some settings where you can just push button and it goes to a certain temperature on the top. We've got the standard US plug here on the top that's got the grounding feature on it. I'll take a look and see how long that plug is when we open that piece up. Let's look at our manual here and see what it says about it. We've got the Karinear electric cooker. This is the model number here, KNC, and I'll show you what that is there. And I'll put it in the link in the description box. That way, if you're interested in this one, after I continue to use it here, we'll see if that's something you might be interested in getting. So it's got some features here where you can lock it. You can do barbecue settings. This is a 1800 watt unit and is adjustable from 100 up to 1800, which is nice. Usable pots and pans. It says you can use iron, cast iron, enameled iron, steel, stainless steel, glass, heat resistant glass, ceramic, copper, aluminum pots and pans with flat bottoms on them between 12 centimeters to 24 centimeters. And I'll put those measurements in the bottom too there of inches on those. And it says do not use pans that are rounded bottom with a diameter less than 12 centimeters or greater than 24 centimeters. So I'm going to plug this one in. I'm going to measure the cord here and see what we got. This one's got some nice handles here on the side. I kind of like that. You can pick it up and move it if you need to. I've got a couple other ones where you can't, there's no handles on it. You just have to pick it up. So you'd have to wait for that to cool down to do that. So it's got a nice outside here. It looks like it is polished on the outside here with the control knob here on the front. Your cooking surface here, a vent for the fan in the back here. It's got 4 legs on the bottom, and let's plug this in and see what this does. I'll put some water on and we'll see how long it takes to boil water. All right, I'm going to measure the cord on this and we'll take a look at it. I'm going to turn it around here so that I can get a good measurement on this and we can see how long this cord is. And to the end of the prongs, it's 45 inches, and I'll put the metric conversion in the description box below for that. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in now. All right, now that we've got it plugged in, let's turn it on. So we've got on the top panel here, I've got barbecue, stir fry, steam, timer, lock, and off and on. So let's turn it on. We'll get that light to stop flashing. I've got some panel that lights up here. Let's hit one of these other things here. Let's stir fry. We're up to 1800 on our wattage on that. And we can set a timer. You can adjust the timer up with that. That's nice. You can control that. So let's put that on for about 40 minutes. Let's see what that looks like. I'm going to put this saucepan on that I've got here, and I've measured out 2 cups of water, about 500 milliliters. And let's just put that in there. And let's just see how long this takes to bring to a boil. We've already got some steam coming up on it. It's been 2 minutes now. And I'll continue to let this bring to a boil, and I'll come back when it's boiling and tell you how long it took for that to come up to a boil. All right, it's been 4 minutes now, and I've got a temperature probe here. We're at 198 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're getting pretty close. It's at 205 and climbing. So it's doing pretty good here. I see a little bit of a boil here, so we are under 5 minutes on this, so this is not bad. That's about typical for what you would kind of think of where that is. So I think this is going to be a really good one. I'm going to continue to use this in some of my videos, so you might see it coming up on my channel, and I'll come back and do a review on it after I've had it for a while and see what I think of this one. So this is the Karinear, and it's an 1800 watt additional stovetop cooker. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And while you're at it, maybe you might want to check out one of these other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. We'll be using this in the future. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye now.